How to change language of your Canva application. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your Canva application. So as here you can see that I'm currently demonstrating this for a Windows 11 computer, as I've installed my Canva application into my Windows system, and now I will show you how you can change the language of your Canva application in Windows. So once you have opened your Canva application, you will be landed onto this home tab. If you are not in the home tab, you can simply click onto this home button and you will be landed into this particular page which is being shown right here. So now from here, the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto your profile icon at the bottom left corner. So simply click onto this profile icon at the bottom left, and from here you can simply choose the settings option. Once you're inside the settings option, you need to click onto this your profile section, and it will open a page like this. So in this page you can simply scroll down and you can see this option that says language. So currently it is set to English, which is the United States version of the English, and if you want to change it, you can click onto this drop down arrow, and from here you can choose any of the languages that are available. If you don't find your language, you can try searching it from here. For example, let's say Hindi, and here you can see this is the Hindi language. So you can simply click onto that particular language that you would like to add, and here you can see that the language has been successfully set to Hindi, and this is the new language which has been successfully applied into the Canva application. So that's how easily you can change the language of the Canva application in Windows 11. So that was all for this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments if it went for you. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.